What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great week. We did grab some new track pieces, guys. A local buddy of mine actually sold me this piece, and I've always wanted one of these. This is an original 1969 curved track. You can see the color difference, but it's in really good shape. I had to clean it up just a little bit, and there is a third piece that goes in between these for a sharper turn, but I'm not going to utilize that one. I'm just going to have the two pieces together. But we will have a ridge jump or some sort of course track which will be added onto this one, so stay tuned for that. We do have some races to get through. I know you guys are waiting on that, and so am I. But in this episode, guys, it is that time yet again. We have another mail call. Now this is from Lee Watson. I don't know what's in the box, but let's jump straight into it and see what we got. All right, here we go. Box is open. All right, but we do see some big time muscle. Nice. Let's go ahead and open up this one. Oh my god, dude, look at how clean that is. Gosh, dude, that is gorgeous. Holy crap, that is nice. Big time muscles, 67 Shelby GT500. And look at that, man. You got the taped up headlights for course track racing. Beautiful blue metallic, slammed. Dude, that is nice, man. Holy crap, that is nice. Now, these are Mustangs I don't have, because big time muscle was starting to kind of die out a little bit when I started collecting. So the only ones I have are right here: the KR, the Boss 429, the 500, the 2007 GT500, and then they started going into the carded version of the 2010, 2008, which this one is the same exact KR as this one. It's just that one's the older plastic packaging. So not many in the collection, guys, but this one is beautiful. All right, let's see. Next up, gosh, already starting it out. Oh, nice. Nice, man. Mark Martin's number 60 Winn-Dixie car. Check that out. Dude, that is sick. Definitely a huge thanks for this one, man. Look at that. You got the rubber Goodyear Eagles, beautiful race livery, of course. Now, I do have a couple Winn-Dixies, but they're duplicates, but I don't think they're this exact livery. These are the newer ones, which the other one I have is his older Ford Thunderbird in all black. So this is another great freaking addition right here, man. Nice. Oh yes, here we go. Okay, now I remember the message back and forth between these. Check this out, guys. Toys R Us commemorative series of Mark Martin's Valvoline, and this one is gold. Look at that finish. Dude, that is sick, man. This is probably, oh man, I don't know. You guys, these are the things that I get conflicted with, because you guys know I do open up all of my NASCAR stuff, and I do keep the boxes and all that over there. Even for the collectible ones that are serialized, I keep all of that. But when it comes to carded ones like this, should I open this? Like, I hate attaching a figure value to it, but when it's a complete package, especially when it's a Toys R Us and it's got the one of, you know, 9,000 whatever, should I keep this carded, man? Because that thing is just awesome looking. Oh, man. I think I'm going to leave it carded for now, but eventually I will open that. But, dude, that is sick. Toys R Us 98. Okay, some of these, yes, that one I remember specifically. But this one, let's see. What is this? Oh, there we go. The Winn-Dixie Mark Martin. This one looks a little different, but could be just me. Let's see, this one's the red 60. Nope, that one's the white 60. So yep, my eyes were correct. Here we go, another variation to the Winn-Dixie Mark Martin car. Beautiful, man. Look at that. Variations matter, man. Always check for variations. That is awesome. All right, let's see. Next one we have is the Hot Wheels Pro Racing. It's the Trading Paint 1998 release. And there we go. Look at that. You got the paint that's all scratched up from, of course, trading paint from racing at tight proximities to another driver. So I think that is awesome, but either that's the wall or another car, but either way, man, that is freaking cool. Another Mark Martin casting I don't have, so this is another new one for the collection. And here you go. Race damaged, look, scrapes, tire marks, and track grime. Dude, love it, man. This right here, man. Oh, I love new additions like that. Next up, looks like we have a monster truck. Ooh, there we go. Check this out. Bigfoot. Now, I've always been on the fence of getting this one because I really do like the monster trucks, man. But there we go. We have this one along with the smashed wagon. Man, that has a really good paint color to it too. But there we go. New to the collection, the Bigfoot giant Ford pickup, man. Nice. That one is definitely going to be opened. Ooh, and next up we have a 1950 Chevy Suburban. Check that out. Park Patrol deco. You have that seafoam green. It's a very, very soft color, but look at the engine details, man. That is nice. You got the black dished wheels. Beautiful casting. So nice. This is definitely the first of a Chevy Suburban moving parts in the collection. All right, let's see. Next up. Oh, man. Gold Chrome Series Commemorative. God, this thing is heavy, man. Look at that. Opening hood, gold finish, of course. You got the chrome red wheels and the 1999 Valvoline 6 badge right there in metal finish. Dude, this thing is awesome, man. Check that out. One of 9,999. So it's the anniversary edition. Another freaking awesome Mark Martin for the collection, man. Look at that. So check this out. We have two commemoratives. One's the Toys R Us, and then one is the gold chrome. And I'm curious on why they stopped at 9,998 and 9,999. Like, why not make it 10,000? Maybe it's like a number game, because you know how like $4.99 seems cheaper than $5. Maybe it's one of those type of things. They wanted to make it seem a little bit more exclusive. But either way, I don't care, man. These are freaking cool. Next up, we have another stock car. Nice. We got the Mark Martin's old Valvoline Thunderbird right there. Now, I think I have one of these, but of course, guys, we have to check to see if it's a variation just for other collectors out there. So this one is the striped number 6 Valvoline, and let's see. The only one that would be close, that one's different. This one's definitely different. So when it comes to all of these, looks like I don't have this particular, oh, maybe I do. Maybe I do. Yep, there it is right there. Same deco, same wheels, same sponsors and everything. So nice. Okay, I do have that one. So this is a duplicate, but I don't care, man. My Mark Martin collection is growing and I just absolutely love it. Plus, it's always good to have extras just in case. You never know when you might want to put some real riders on it or do a custom like I did for Big Daddy Diecast. I thought that was awesome. It came out beautiful. So David, I will be having that out to you soon. So bear with me, buddy. All right, next up, a free race car when you buy one package of 24 Milkhouse cheese singles. What? You used to get free cars when you bought some cheese, man. Look at that Milkhouse cheese official Racing Champions Mark Martin car. And this looks like it has those old rubber tires on there. Gosh, and that's some old font for that number 6. Looks like I would have this one. You would think I would know which ones I have, but it gets very hard sometimes. Is it that one? Nope, because this one is the Milkhouse. So you can see the Milkhouse sticker right there. And then this one doesn't have the Milkhouse. So it is a variation, of course, and I love that it has the Milkhouse cheese on there. So if you ever do open it, which I will, you will know that that one is still the exclusive. That is freaking cool, man. All right, let's see. Next up, we have some Hot Wheels. All right, here we go. Oh, that is too funny. Too freaking funny, man. Here we go, the Zamac Big Air Bel Air. It's, you know, I never even mentioned I did not have this one anymore, and we got 2 of them in a mail call. But that is greatly appreciated, man. Thank you so much for sending another one. Even though I have it back in the collection, it is still good to have this one. But this is just an awesome casting. I've loved it since the release of it, and I love all the color variations. And then followed up, we have the Raging Express in gold. My daughter actually has mine. I gotta figure out where she put it, but we have another one, and I cannot wait to get the new one. That is a really cool release. I believe it's a treasure hunt if I can remember. But there we go, another gold Raging Express, and then followed up by the Glory Chaser. Nice. Now I do have both color variations to this one, but here we go, another awesome one. All right, next up, ooh, we got some older ones. Here we go, the RX3 Mainline. Now I actually don't have this one. I had it for a while, and I ended up putting it in a box in a trade as an extra, so this is an awesome one to get back in the collection because I thought I was gonna find it again. So if you ever think, oh, you know what, I'll find it again, don't get rid of it. Just hold on to it and try to get an extra. Looks like we have the Ford Bronco and the Subaru Samber. Check that out. Beautiful blue metallic on that one. Got the black chrome off-road wheels on it, full deco, tampos for rear and front. And the front looks really good. Of course, the little Subaru Sambar, that thing is really, really cool. I have one on a keychain my buddy made, the black version of it. I think there's a blue, and I can't remember what other color. But let's see, do I have this Bronco? Could be in the stack, but I really, really don't think I have it. But there we go, beautiful ones for the collection. Next up, Mazda Miata. Nice. Another Mad Mike version of it. Really do like that deco. You got the Digicam over the white enamel. You got the black Steely with the purple chrome ring in the rear and the pink aero discs up front. This is just another cool little hitter right here, man. Really, really do like that one. I have a pretty good Miata collection, even throwing back to the late 90s Miata releases. I just gotta really get a jammer for those. Next up, yeah, buddy. Bubba Wallace's number 23. I don't have his latest one, but there we go. The Toyota Camry. Look at that DoorDash. My dude. And we have the hood. You guys know I do collect the hoods of these. It's just a small little rabbit hole. You know, anytime I get those, I do open them up. And then had some really good friends send these hoods right here, which I thought looked awesome for the display. So Bubba Wallace. Nice, man. Very nice. So what was the chase out of it? Oh, his car was a chase. Ooh, I'd like to find that truck. And of course, you got Chase Elliott's number 9. I've seen that one before. And then, oh, there you go. You got the Bass Pro Shop version of the Camaro. Nice. Oh my gosh, dude. That is awesome, man. The B2 Bomber. Now, my buddy Lee is also super familiar with the B2. This was an aircraft I worked on for 7 years and is still one of my favorites. But the Matchbox one, man. So I have the latest one. I think it was from 2021's Matchbox Skybusters. But mine's black and red. But this is close and really close to the actual color of the B2, man. Thank you so much for that. This really hits home because this is one aircraft that I just loved and hated working on at the same time. But a great piece of machinery. Freaking awesome. Thank you so much for that, dude. So that is it. Finishing off with the B2 Bomber, dude. That is an awesome thing to throw in there. Thank you so much, dude. That is sick. Here we go, guys. Check that out. Awesome package from Lee. A huge thanks for these, man. You got the beautiful 67 GT500 Bunch of Mark Martin variations and exclusives. And then of course you got the Hot Wheels lineup of the Zamac. You got some older releases. When I say older, I mean like early 22s, late 21s. But these right here, man, these are so cool. So freaking cool, man. Gosh, that is awesome. So Lee, thank you so much. I remembered after you sent the Toys R Us of the conversation we had of them. I didn't think you were gonna throw them all in the package. Other than that, guys, dude, hopefully you all enjoyed it just as much as me. I know there's not a lot of NASCAR fans out there, but when you really take the time to look at each casting of NASCAR products, dude, they are just amazing. Especially when Hot Wheels was into the pro racing releases. They all had the rubber tires, the really cool decos and releases, but from the Hot Wheels all the way into the racing champs, you have Action Racing, you have a bunch of casting companies that made some awesome ones. They're just really, really cool. So again, Lee, thank you so much for that, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, and of course comment down below which one of these was a heavy hitter for you and which ones you thought were just super cool. And should I even open these right here, especially when they're kind of commemorative? I don't know, man. I'm always on the fence with that. But other than that, guys, I have nothing else. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.